They say experience keeps you safe on the road, but that's a lie millions of drivers are paying for with their hard-earned cash. Over $1,200 a year on average to hidden car scams they never saw coming. Dealerships, quick lube chains, and even your local corner shop are all running the same playbook. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 17 of the most common automotive ripoffs that are still fooling everyday drivers. And yeah, one of these got me too. Stick around till the end because this one hits different. Let's dive in. Scam number 17, the engine flush scam. Quick lube places push engine flushes on 7 out of 10 customers, not because your motor actually needs it, but because it's one of their highest margin upsells. They'll shine a flashlight on your oil filler cap, call the oil sludgy, and warn you that your engine is about to seize unless you drop $120 $150 on their flush service right now. Here's the straight truth most mechanics won't tell you. The vast majority of modern engines running quality synthetic oil at regular intervals stay plenty clean on their own. A flush usually does zero good and can actually cause harm. Those aggressive chemicals sometimes dislodge old deposits that then clog up critical oil passages, starving bearings and causing expensive damage. The fancy-looking machine they hook up, it's mostly theater. There are rare exceptions, like a neglected high-mileage engine that's been running on neglected conventional oil for 100,000 plus miles. But for most of us, it's pure profit padding. Skip the upsell, stay on top of your regular oil changes, and your engine will thank you. And right after they finish with that, they almost always pivot to the next emergency. Scam number 16, the cabin air filter emergency. You roll in for an oil change and suddenly they're waving a dirty cabin filter in your face, claiming it's yours and it's killing your air quality. They'll try to bundle it with the engine filter like they're the same thing. They're not. Cabin filters trap dust, pollen, and road debris for the inside of your car. Engine filters protect the motor. They clog at completely different rates. Unless you live in a dust bowl or drive through heavy construction daily, that cabin filter is rarely an emergency. Pull it out yourself every couple of oil changes. If it's lightly dusty, tap it clean against a tire or vacuum it. Still looks decent? Put it back and pocket the $40.60 they wanted. Your AC will keep blowing cold and your wallet will stay heavier. Because once they're done scaring you about filters, they hit you with the forever promise. Scam number 15, the lifetime fluid myth. New car salespeople love this one. Don't worry, the transmission fluid, coolant, and differential fluid are all lifetime rated. No maintenance needed. Sounds amazing until you actually understand what lifetime really means. It means lifetime of the warranty. After that, you're on your own while heat, moisture, and oxidation quietly destroy the fluid's protective properties. By 60-80-000 miles, that so-called lifetime fluid is usually cooked, and the damage to seals, clutches, and gears starts showing up as slipping, harsh shifts, or expensive repairs. Old-school mechanics have known this forever. Fluids don't last forever. Change your transmission fluid and filter every 40-60K or per your severe duty schedule. Flush coolant on schedule and your car will easily outlast the dealership's empty promises. Speaking of things that suddenly flash on your dash. Scam number 14, the tire pressure sensor replacement trick. That little TPMS light comes on and the shop immediately jumps to your sensor is dead, needs replacing for $120 plus. They skip the basics because replacement pays better. Most of the time, it's not the sensor. It's a low tire from a slow leak, temperature drop, corrosion on the valve stem, or a dead sensor battery that still has life left. A honest tech checks tire pressures and does a quick visual first. Always check your own pressures with a good gauge before you let them touch anything. Rotate tires regularly and those lights stay off. Save the sensor money for when you actually need it. If these Real Talk tips are saving you money and headaches, smash that like button and subscribe, there's way more coming. Scam number 13, fake diagnostic fees. Check engine light comes on, you bring it in and bam, they hit you with a $100 $150 diagnostic fee before they even open the hood. Most of the time, that diagnosis is just plugging in a basic code reader any auto parts store lets you use for free. They read a generic code and call it a day. Real diagnostics involve testing circuits, checking live data, and verifying the root cause, not just reading a number and upselling parts. Always ask, does the fee apply toward the repair? What exactly are you testing? Honest shops explain. Scammers get defensive. Get a second opinion if something feels off. And just when you think they've run out of fake tests. Scam number 12, the bad brake fluid test. Tech walks over with a test strip dipped in your brake fluid. It failed, needs a flush today or your brakes could fail, panic sells. Brake fluid darkens naturally and absorbs moisture over time, but that doesn't mean it's dangerous. Most vehicles are fine for 2-4 years. Those cheap test strips are notorious for false positives designed to sell services. Grab an inexpensive brake fluid moisture tester online. If moisture is under 3%, you're good. Save the flush for when it's actually needed. Scam number 11, the used car detail and hide scam. Dealers and curbstoners turn detailing into an art form. Steam-cleaned engine bays, fresh paint touch-ups, silicone on tires and leather, even painted over rust. The car looks and smells brand new. Too perfect is a red flag. That sparkling engine bay might be hiding leaks. Fresh undercoating can cover structural rust or flood damage. Silky seats can hide cracks. Always inspect underneath mats, in hidden corners, behind panels, and smell for mustiness. A clean car isn't always a well-maintained car, sometimes it's just well camouflaged. Scam number 10, the yo-yo scam. You drive off the lot excited about your new or new-to-you car. A few days later, the phone rings, financing fell through, come back and sign new paperwork or we're taking the car. They let you fall in love with it, then yank the string. Refuse and they threaten repossession. Agree and suddenly the rate is higher, fees are added or extras you didn't want appear. Protect yourself, never drive the car home until financing is fully approved in writing by the lender, not just the dealer. Get everything in a clear contract before you take delivery. Scam number 9, the bait and switch oil change. Those $29.99 oil change ads are designed to get you in the door. Once you're there, the upsell avalanche begins. Synthetic upgrade, flushes, filters, wipers, turning $30 into $150+ with fear tactics. Some shops even use cheap bulk conventional oil while claiming it's full synthetic. Demand transparency up front, exact oil type, filter brand, and total price before they touch your car. If they can't give it, drive away. Honest shops don't play games. Scam number 8, the used car certified inspection scam. Certified pre-owned 150-point inspection sounds reassuring, but many of those checklists are rubber-stamped with minimal effort. Quick tire glance, fluid top-off, starts okay, done. No deep scans, no compression testing, no real verification. Always ask who performed it, what was actually measured, and whether a manufacturer-trained tech did the work. Request the detailed report. If they dodge, treat it like any other used car and get your own independent pre-purchase inspection. Scam number 7, fake check engine light resets. Shady shops clear codes to make problems disappear temporarily, whether you're getting a repair or buying a used car. The light goes off, but the underlying issue remains. Demand a full scan showing historical and pending codes plus freeze-frame data. For used cars, combine a Carfax independent scanner check and professional pre-purchase inspection. Don't trust a magically cleared light. Scam number 6, the fuel system cleaning scam. They claim your injectors are clogged, fuel economy is dropping, and you need a $150 250 professional cleaning. Modern top-tier gasoline already contains excellent detergents that keep most systems clean. Unless you've been burning the cheapest off-brand fuel for years, you probably don't need it. Only pursue cleaning if you have actual symptoms, rough idle, misfires, hesitation, and even then get a proper diagnosis first, not a blanket service at every oil change. Scam number 5, the new battery lie. Slow cranking, dim lights, clicking, that's your battery talking. But shops love testing a healthy battery under the wrong conditions and claiming it's failing. A quality battery should last 5-7 years. Check voltage yourself, 12.6V rested is healthy, look at the manufacturer date code, and get a free load test at a reputable parts store. Don't replace it until it actually shows weakness. Scam number 4, the flood car cover-up. After big storms, totaled flood cars get cleaned up, detailed, and resold, sometimes with washed titles. Water destroys wiring, computers, and hidden metal from the inside. Musty smells, fresh but strong air fresheners, rust on bolts under seats or carpet edges, and random electrical gremlins later are your clues. Always get a professional inspection and check for salvage flood history. Scam number 3, the extended warranty trap. Fear-filled calls and letters push extended coverage right before your factory warranty ends. Most third-party plans are loaded with exclusions for wear and tear, pre-existing conditions, and more. Buy directly from the manufacturer if you want one, read every exclusion, never sign under pressure. Real peace of mind doesn't come from a high-pressure sales script. Scam number 2, the odometer rollback. Rolling back miles makes a high-mileage car look like a cream puff, but engines, transmissions, and suspension wear with time and actual use, not just the numbers. Compare pedal wear, seat condition, service records, and get a full vehicle history. Inconsistencies between appearance and mileage are huge red flags. Scam number 1, the fake mechanic diagnosis. This is the one that destroys trust. A shop diagnoses a massive failure, quotes thousands you pay, and the problem returns soon after. They exaggerated, misdiagnosed, or fixed symptoms while ignoring the real cause. Always ask for clear evidence, live data before and after scans, and test results. Get a second opinion on big-ticket repairs. A good mechanic educates you, a scammer scares you. If you think these shop scams are bad, wait until you learn what some fuel brands are quietly doing to your engine every time you fill up. Check the link below for the 11 gas stations you should avoid and which ones actually treat your car right. Drop your biggest scam story in the comments. I read every one. If this video saved you money, share it with a fellow driver, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.